Hi everyone, welcome back to the Casual Watch Review channel. In this upload, I wanted to talk about how I got on with my Hamilton X Patrol. So for regular viewers of the channel who know that I've had the X Patrol for over a year now, it's featured in a couple of my videos, and overall it's a great watch. You know, I really like the size, the design is brilliant, and I don't actually think they make it anymore either. But my particular model has actually developed a little issue, and on the face of it, it doesn't look too bad actually, the issue. I mean, it's still keeping great time and things like that, but the chronograph, like second hand, doesn't reset exactly back to 12 o'clock, which it didn't bother me too much at the start. This was a problem that developed over time, but now it's kind of really irritating me because with it having such a distinctive second hand, you can actually see that it is definitely misaligned on there. So I actually bought this from Amazon. Now, Amazon, it wasn't from Hamilton through Amazon, it was actually from Amazon themselves, I believe. And they offer a 2-year Amazon-backed warranty with the watch. So I didn't get Hamilton's original warranty, I get Amazon's warranty, which is something that you do see from online sellers, grey market sellers and things like that will offer, like Joma Shop, for example, will offer their own warranty. So I've never actually sent a watch back to Amazon for a warranty claim, and I couldn't find a lot of information online about people who had done this, so I thought this might make an interesting video. So this will probably take me a couple of weeks to shoot, but I'll go through the process of how I kind of logged the issue with them, and then hopefully we'll send it off, and then I'll let you know kind of how long it took to repair and whether there was any issues as we go on. So anyway, let's flip the camera around and I'll show you exactly what I mean by the issue that it's having. Yeah, so this is the issue I've been having with the Hamilton. So it's working, it's keeping good time and everything like that. But if I just start the chronograph like that, if I stop the chronograph and then reset it, see it's not resetting exactly back to the 12 o'clock position. It's not a major issue. It doesn't impair the function of the watch for me, but it is just one of those like annoying things. So I'm going to try and send it back and see if they can fix it. So what we'll do next stage is I will get the phone number for Amazon, I will ring them, we'll see how I got on, and then if I get through to sending it off, then we'll kind of time how long it takes and things like that. So anyway, that's the issue kind of close up. So this is the warranty card you get with the watch. So the original Hamilton one isn't in the box. So next what I did was I logged in online onto my Amazon, found the watch that I'd actually purchased on there. This is actually the original sales thing. Clicked on the warranty card. I thought I'd have to ring Amazon directly, but it tells you in the instructions that you need to ring Assuron. So I had the number there. Then what I did was I went on their website just to try and find some more details. So on the Assuron website now, I hit file a claim. I thought I could actually do this online, but you can't. What you do online though is you have to register your watch on there. So if you'd not registered your watch when you first received it, so you register, gives you username and password, and then what you do is you find your watch. So you search for it, you put in the details, and then it asks you for things like the serial number of the watch, the purchase date, the order number. So just loading up here, this is the warranty that came with the watch. So I just wanted to double check. So it won't cover for like excessive wear and tear. And if there's any evidence or intentional damage or misuse or abuse, you know, they don't cover that either. So probably like a fairly standard warranty. So it's not for like accidental use or accidental damage. Okay, so just a quick update. I've called Assuron. I spoke to a very nice guy actually. They were very helpful. So I kind of like, he was asking me about what was wrong with the watch. I thought they were going to give me the runaround, but they didn't in the end. It was absolutely fine. I said the chronograph didn't reset. He didn't ask me to like try any of the buttons. I'm imagining with them covering so many watches that they can't kind of do the tech support there. Anyway, I'm just about to send it back. He said it would be about 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll send it back and then I'll report back when it arrives. Okay, so here we are. So here's the watch back from Assuron. So let's give it a little test. So set the chronograph off. We'll give it to 5 minutes past, stop it there, and then reset it. Okay, so yeah, they've definitely fixed it there. It's resetting back to the 12 o'clock position. So overall, I guess a good experience with the Amazon Assuron warranty. They actually paid for postage as well, which was pretty cool. They posted it secure and it came back secure postage, I believe. So if you guys have got any questions about this warranty or how I got on, if I didn't put all the detail in this video, just let me know in the comments section down below and I'll try and get back to you as quick as possible. I'll leave the social media links for the channel at the end of this. So we've now got a Facebook group, an Instagram group, an Etsy shop, and also a Twitter account. So you can get hold of me on any of those, and also you can get hold of me at the thecasualwatchreviewer at gmail.com. So as always, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos, and I will see you all next time on the Casual Watch Reviewer. Thanks, guys. Bye.